Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to generate stunning images using AI. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, open your browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, search for Leonardo AI. So Leonardo, guys, it's one of the best AI website. You can use this website for free, and you can also make a stunning images. So tap the first website, then tap get started, and now guys we need to create an account on Leonardo. You can create an account with Apple ID or Google or Microsoft. Well, I choose Apple ID. Tap continue. Now write your username and then select your address, for example art stock, and tap next. Tap this, tap done, and now tap accept terms of service. Perfect. Then tap image creation, close this. Perfect. Now guys, you can write your prompt here and you can generate any images you want. For example, I'll write perfect, and then tap done and tap generate and wait a moment until finish generate your images. And as you can see here, this is the images of my prompt, and it's very beautiful, you know. You can also save these images on your phone. Just tap on it and tap this icon to save the images on your mobile. Okay, so that's it. This is our image. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.